I have here a few more zero tolerance knives, couple Spyderco and Benchmade. Let's see what I got this time. For this knife I got it here R.J. Martin. I think I got this at one of those sporting goods or sporting warehouse that used to be Field and Stream, just in the local sporting goods store. Let's see what they all about. By the way, this is why they came so weird. They were kind of displays. He just stuck it in a box without any kind of holder. I wonder if they all come like that at zero tolerance. This one is pretty nice. I was with Kat and she really wanted it one like that. So easy flip. This is my favorite way to flip the knife. Look at that edge. So beautiful. So to close it, simply just push it and close it. I figured wear gloves because these knives are really sharp. I really don't want to cut myself, so it protects my skin a little bit with these gloves. And also I don't want to leave any kind of fingerprints on these knives. For the next zero tolerance, okay, let's see what it is. Blug G10. Let's see what's what. Also box kind of dilapidated a little bit. Super nice. Black. Ooh, flicks out so good. Look at this thick white blade. And like I said, there was a display. That store actually put a sticker on this knife and you can still see it. I guess you could remove it with something, but oh well. Can Onion design, and there's a serial number and everything. Super beautiful knife. What do you guys think? And these zero tolerance knives are very sharp. Same thing, closes like that. I really like it when you close it. There's a safety for your finger. So you see it? My glove got stuck. Well, it wasn't supposed to happen. This is the easiest way to flick open a knife. I'm telling you, these gloves are the worst. So now you know, if you're gonna be wearing gloves, don't use this knife. But yeah, super cool. Okay, what else we have? Okay, this one have actual card and everything inside of it, and I guess that's what they originally come in, one of these bubble wraps. This is carbon fiber, very beautiful. I really love the way it reflects these big squares, and sometimes even look like circles. This one's just a regular steel, I guess. Okay, and looks like they all flip out this way. Wow, this one quite long. Ooh, this is fun. Gosh, this is so light, I can't believe it. And again, I'm pretty sure this one had a sticker on it as well. I had to take it off. But yeah, this is a very lightweight knife. I really like that one a lot too. Okay, same way to close it. Boom. I couldn't find any more zero tolerance knives at that store, but that's all they had that I actually liked. So that's all I got. And this one is Sienkiewicz. There's a name on it. But yeah, that carbon fiber is fun to hold and at the same time super light. Like this Benchmade, they are top brand as well. People love them. Mini Crooked River. And you know what's cool about Benchmade knives? Usually they go up in value, not go down. I seen a knife I bought for $100 that was kind of in the back of the small town store, and I bought it $100, but on eBay it was sold for $180 because it'd been discontinued for 2 years and somebody really wanted it for their collection. So yeah, and they sell obviously new. Whenever they new, that's when they retain their value a lot better. So I have the bigger one, I'm pretty sure, so I figured I'll get a smaller one as well. By the way, was a sticker over here, pretty sure, so I took it off. And this is why I put gloves on, because I don't want to leave fingerprints and get it rusted out. Looks like it doesn't flip out that easily. Open it and close it, you just push it this way. So yeah, it takes a little bit of practice to open it and close it. You just push it down and close it. Boom. Let me know in comments below, what do you think about this one? This one is really nice. Check this out. I really love the wood. It's a very lightweight knife. This orange, like some kind of grip. Yeah, I think this is like a gripper, so it doesn't slide your hand as much. But yeah, I really love the butterfly logo. Okay, couple of Spyderco, known for their hole, and it's made in Japan, and this is the name of it. Centofenta 3. Is that the name of the knife? Maybe. This is like a matchbox knives. Love it. Okay. Yeah, there's a name for it. Yeah, there's grease all over it. There's a name for it. There you go. And these knives are fun to practice with, but except this one doesn't flick out that easily. Let me wipe that off. This is actually perfect gloves to hold, to clean off the knife at the same time. But yeah, this one doesn't flip as fun as this. Is a slow folder, almost like two hands folds. Even if you grab it like that, you see, it's really resists you. Look at that shiny spider, super cool. Fat little spider. People keep making fun of it in comments, calling it a tick or something, wood tick. But yeah, very beautiful knife. For that design, I guess the handle is quite nice, but it is definitely not a fun flipper or anything like that. And the last one is another Spyderco. What we got here? Somebody put another sticker on it, but I think it's called rock pin. Sorry for my mispronunciation. Ooh, look at that one. That's really sealed up. Pretty sure made in Japan. Ooh, yeah, this one is looking fun. Some kind of powder on it. Search design, Japan. Okay, let's flip it. Okay, that one is actually a flipper and looks like a little hatchet. One of those vintage razors. Pretty unique to closet. You have right here. Okay, is it quick opener? Yeah, I guess you can open it like that. Slow to close, but that's not a big deal. Almost opens all the way with the finger like that. I guess maybe you can loosen up this screw. All you need is an Allen wrench, and that way it will flick out all the way. The gloves keep getting stuck. And obviously you can open it this way. Beautiful, fun knife over here. Check this out. This is such a unique blade over here. I like it. And yeah, obviously pretty comfortable. I would hold it like that. I don't know if I would hold it this way. And yeah, very unique. Let me know in comments below which knife was your favorite.